The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla!
Me say half of me then I blood clot boss me say bad man. Me didn't know the woman a police. When me say voltage. So the woman I say me in the passenger seat, right? In the seat you put the crossbar and thing. So the woman I say, yo, she don't want nobody rock on her like that.
Yeah.
So me I say, what you mean, lady? Because you know the bus have turn corner anyway. The woman say she don't want nobody rock on her anyway. You know say a police harass. Even to the woman now. No. Well, lady, buy a bus. Buy a bus, man. Since you don't want to buy a bus. Yeah, you understand?
Yeah, buy a bus.
Ross, when we reach up with that, the woman go pop out in badge. We go roadblock with police and like she takes the police and whatever. We go see roadblock with police. The woman pop out in badge. Me and the next youth. You and you get out the bus right now. Me bomb buckler at the
Viewers and subscribers, that's why I always think it is best to show respect to each and everyone, no matter who the person be. You see it? Alright, viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. You see it? Alright, so I just presented to you a video that shows a person who said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he was on a bus with a female police officer. You see me? And he went on to explain certain things that he said happened. You see what I'm saying to you? And I presented the video to you so that you can listen to some of the things that this person said, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that this person said. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright? With that, I'm going to move on, you know? Now, I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present any of those videos to you, I'm going to present a picture to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see it? Now, you see this picture that you see right here? This picture is being talked about on social media. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm not going to say much about this picture. You see me? But I take a look at the picture and I'm wondering if this picture actually shows a real road sign that is within the country of Jamaica. See me? And I'm also wondering if this is a edited picture. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, take a look at the picture. Take a look at the spellings that are within the picture. You see what I'm saying to you? And let me know what you think about this picture. You understand me? You can let me know if you think the picture actually shows a real road sign within the country of Jamaica. You can also let me know if you think this picture is an edited picture or what, you see me? Yeah, let me know what you think about this picture, you see me? Let me know what you think about the spellings that are within this picture, you see me I say? Yeah, this picture is being talked about on social media, you see me? Alright, so with that, I'm going to move on to another video. The next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a female veteran artist who goes by the name of Lady Ann. And Lady Ann said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that her floor was someone's bed. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, some of the things that Lady Ann said in this video have me wondering who she was talking about. You see what I'm saying to you? However, this video is being talked about on social media and I'm presenting this video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that Lady Ann had said. You see me? Alright, now here is the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
I have to laugh. No, I really have to laugh. I have to laugh. I defend my friend. And when I defend my friend, for people just say, you know, them never mean for so them sorry. Them it just come out the wrong way. People go do live and say, people go do interview I should say, and say, me I look hyper for my friend. Wow. Our life no sort out and a year for my life no sort out. Wow. What a low blow. At this you go. You forgot. At this it reach, but guess what? The life you go continue. Cause you forgot who you talk to. You forgot, say, the way me did sort out and still sort out in America. My floor was your bed. You start to step over you on my floor. For go in my bathroom. Yeah, you forgot? Yeah, that life you go continue. Have a nice day, people.
Viewers and subscribers, I am wondering why Lady Ann said those things. So may I said to you? Yeah, I'm wondering, you know. Alright, well anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that video, and I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I'm going to present to you a piece of an entire video that is out on social media. And according to some things that have been said on social media about the entire video that is out on social media, and according to some things that have been said in the entire video that is out on social media, it is said that the video shows when a person who goes by the name of World Dawg on social media made a deal with a female who goes by the name of Candy Wow on social media. It is said that World Dawg told Candy Wow that he would help her in some ways if she went to rehab for a certain amount of time. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I could explain the things that had been said in the entire video that is out on social media, but however, I'm going to present to you a piece of the entire video that's out on social media so that you can hear some of the things that have been said in the entire video that is out on social media for yourself, you see me? And you can also let me know what you think about the video as well, you see me? Now, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Yeah. Yeah.
We are going to make a deal. See?
No problem.
We are make a deal. I'm going to put this from my dead mother life. We are make a deal. See?
Yeah.
If I got a real for you, I make you apply house to the bathroom.
See it there?
Yeah.
Done it down. I'm telling you that's that's a one big move. That's when she clean up herself. If she want to fuck up, that's a fear business.
Candy.
But at least she make a big step.
Candy.
No
If
joke.
you got a real for 2 months, I make you a 1 bedroom flat with a wall bathroom. Just let you go.
Yeah.
If you got a real for 2 months, just 2 months. Just 2 months.
2 months, no joke, can do.
2 months. Just 2 months. If you give me 2 months in a rehab, if you give me 2 months in a rehab, get you a 1 bedroom playhouse.
Yeah.
And a 1 bathroom. You don't have to pay rent again.
Don't
Thief and gear that.
big move this can do.
No, don't thief.
No, me a thief. Me thief
In
and
the
gear
mean
that.
so,
Listen me I say. We gear that. We are talk now, real talk. And if anybody have to help, then we help. You hear me? We got 1 bedroom and give a bed and a TV night. Anything you say you work your way else. You have everything we want now. And us you have to upgrade yourself from this. You understand? So what now we in? What now we in? 1 month we in?
We now January.
The 14th.
More you clean up, more you come out of rehab for my birthday, March 9th. Oh, that son.
Brother, me tell her same exact 2 months. Me tell her
Female
that
boss
from
want
life
help
early
too.
on.
Female boss want help. Quad want help. See people that want help. Quad the March 9th. Me build a 1 private. All if nobody not help.
Just do that, girl. We can link you. You have a phone. We link you. We link you. We go live same way. Then the rehab same way.
Candy, you want me father Jamaica, me bring you over there. You want me father Jamaica, me bring you over there. Eh?
Cheese or bring me.
Listen, if
you
you're
want
not
me
bring it,
Jamaica, me want to go over there. Me can't do that, you know.
that good.
Yeah.
Because that is the next step.
Yeah.
Big man thing. You see me? I mean, I talk, we no more talk, because I guess so. I hold it for people. You see, that times, one time we did need help, you see me? And a dog take me up off of 4. And yesterday a dog, I see him saying the dep on the live. But maybe people take this as laugh, but guess what? I'm serious. You see me, Candy?
True. You see, there is that man.
I say, I love my mother, I love every other female, so I like to when they suffer. You understand? Yo, Candy, you have to move from which part you're there, man. You see me? So here we go on now. Here we go on now. We are paying rent. Candy, here we go on, man. We are paying rent to them, man, and everything good, man. So can we start run some joke now? Wipe them tears, man. Can we go back to the joke?
Viewers and subscribers, I want to say big up and respect to the person who goes by the name of World Dawg on social media. Yeah, I want to say big up and respect the world dog. You see? In my point of view, when I look at the video and listen to some of the things that have been said in this video, it seems as if World Dog wants to help Candy Wow. You see it? And in my point of view, it seems as if World Dog is not the only person who wants to help Candy Wow and want to see Candy Wow get help. You see me? Yeah, so I want to say big up and respect the World Dog, you know? Big up and respect the cheese as well, you see me? Yeah. Alright, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video, and let me know what you think about the picture that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, so until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it? Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.